Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It's Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Twitter username if you have forgotten it, or what you can do in this scenario if you forgot your username and you cannot log in anymore. Now, in this case, you just simply have to go to the Twitter login page. On the login page, you can log in either with your phone number or email address too, not just the username. So, in this case, you just simply have to enter your email address here and then click Next. After entering your email address, just simply put the password in this box. Then, after entering your password, you can log in from here. And if you don't even remember your password, worry not. You can reset your password by clicking on Forgot Password, and it will send a code to your email address. So, in this case, you don't have to worry even if you forget your username or cannot find your username. Just remember from the next time to try to remember your username. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.